A very warm welcome to Junction, especially for those of you who it's your first visit. This is the latest in our series of briefings from Junction.
I guess the fundamental difference between rewards-based crowdfunding and equity-based crowdfunding is what you get in return for your donation or your investment. With investment-based crowdfunding, equity crowdfunding, which is what we do, you invest in a company, and in return for your investment, you get shares and you get ownership in that company.
Well, I think the main thing was opportunity to go, if you like, follow the crowd. In other words, it was about diversifying the investment rather than doing your own due diligence. You're going in as an angel investor into a business, unless you understand the industry, it's going to be hard. So that was the main reason for doing it.
I think it's been more recognized as a method of funding, and clearly the challenge for us is to try to get the races up of it, because at the moment it's still operating at sort of 1 million up to sort of 5 million. 5 million race is a very big race in crowdfunding.
I think companies most suitable for crowdfunding are companies that have a story to tell, most importantly. So you have to have a growth story to tell. You're asking people to invest in that story. It has to be compelling. Investors need to have something to believe in and really believe that there's an opportunity for them to be part of the growth of this business and hopefully see a return on their investment.
I'd like to thank you all for your very intelligent questions and for listening, and clearly thank the panellists who've been marvellous.